In this video, I will show you how to remove the driver's door panel on a Honda Civic. Whether you're replacing a window regulator, door handle, or speaker, removing the panel is the first step. First, locate the small cover behind the door handle. Use a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry it open, revealing a screw inside. Remove the screw with the Phillips-head screwdriver. There is a plastic retainer clip behind the door handle. Push the center of the pin to unlock the clip. Use a pick to remove the clip. This is optional as the clip will come out with the door panel after you press the center pin. Next, remove the window switch panel. Using a trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver, carefully pry up the switch. Once it's loose, lift it up and you will see two electrical connectors on the back. Disconnect both the connectors. Press the tab on the side and then pull out the connector. With the window switch panel out, you will see a screw underneath. Remove the screw with a Phillips-head screwdriver. Now it's time to release the door panel. Starting at the bottom, insert the trim removal tool and gently pry outward. You will hear the clips popping out. Work your way around the panel until all clips are released. Once all clips are free, grab the door panel and lift it straight up to detach it from the window track. Behind the panel, you will see the door handle still attached. To remove it, press the tabs on the sides and slide it out of the panel. You can now access the inner components for repairs or upgrades. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Wheels Join for more DIY car tutorials. Thanks for watching.